In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a wrong deposit details in QuickBooks Online. If you've entered a deposit with the wrong details, maybe the date is off, the account isn't right, or the amounts were grouped incorrectly, don't worry. QuickBooks Online lets you review and correct that deposit in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, head to the left panel and click on Accounting. This takes you to the accounting area where your key financial records live. From there, open the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you can see activity tied to your connected accounts and locate the deposit you want to fix. If you have a long list, it can help to narrow it down by date or amount so you're looking at the right entry. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct bank account if you manage more than one. Next, find the specific deposit you need to fix. Look carefully at the description, date, and total so you're confident you've got the exact transaction. Once you see it, click on it to open more details. This expands the deposit and gives you a clearer view of what was recorded. Inside that view, click the deposit hyperlink. That link opens the actual bank deposit form, which is where the original details were saved. This is the key place where you can make your corrections. Take your time here and verify each field. Double-check the bank account at the top, confirm the deposit date, and make sure the payment method and any memo fields reflect what really happened. If the deposit combines multiple payments, ensure each payment listed belongs in this deposit and that the totals add up. If any customer name, category, or reference is incorrect, adjust it so your records stay tidy and your reports match reality. Once all the details look right, click Save at the bottom right. That's it. Your changes are applied, and the corrected deposit now flows through your books accurately. After saving, it's a good idea to glance back at your bank transactions list or your reports to confirm everything aligns with your expectations. To recap, you open Accounting on the left panel, go to the Bank Transactions tab, locate and click the deposit, select the deposit hyperlink, make your edits, and then save. With these steps, you can quickly fix wrong deposit details in QuickBooks Online and keep your financial data clean and reliable.